QNT continues to see a breakdown move after losing our key area of support above the $78 and also giving us a break to the lower side of this ascending trend line, which was the first indication of a change of this upward movement that we had been seeing for the past few days. And on today's video, I will be discussing the reasons as to why we need to continue holding within our key area of support above the $68.4 and the $65.7. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video by first giving you a quick recap of what has been happening from the lows that we made on the 6th of September. You can see that we saw a very nice bounce to the upside, managing to break above key areas of resistances in a move that gave us a high above the $81, completing what I now term as an impulsive Elliot wave count 1. And having picked in an Elliot wave count 1, I was expecting a bit of a short-term pullback in an Elliot wave count 2, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of this Elliot wave count 1, giving me a minimum pullback target area for the second wave into the golden pocket between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, and that is between the $68.4 and the $65.5, which is the area that I have highlighted here on the chart. And this is an area that you can see that we have almost fully maximized, suggesting that there are chances that we now have the lows in place for that Elliot wave count 2, and in the next coming hours we can easily see a reversal to the upside, manage to break above resistance above the $69.1, flipping it back into support, manage to break above significant highs, also manage to break above the $78, which is a key area of resistance. And the moment that plays out, then that will be confirming to us that we have a low in place for the second wave, and we have started an impulsive movement to the upside in an Elliot wave count 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of this Elliot wave count 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that is above the $106.6 as our minimum target area. Then we can expect a wave 4 and then continue pushing even higher in an Elliot wave count 5. So that is the price action that I'm expecting in case we continue holding above key areas of support. We also need to have in mind that this pullback can continue, and if that is the case, then there are chances that we can lose the fib level 0.618, flipping it back into resistance. And the moment that plays out, then I will be watching for support on the next key area on the Fibonacci's, which is the fib level 0.78 that lies above the $61.3. And as long as we continue holding above the $61.3, there's a chance that QNT can give us another bounce back and manage to break above key areas of resistances. But the moment we lose the fib level 0.78, then that will be suggesting further breakdown moves in a move that can easily give us a reset of the lows that we made on the 6th of September down here below the $56, and that is the worst case scenario that we need to have in mind and also watch out for. So that is the price action that I'm expecting to play out here on the QNT chart for the next coming hours, and let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.